Why your posture is failing, and how 10 minutes can fix it. Every day, millions of people wake up with back pain, stiff necks, or a sore spine, and most don't even realize the real cause: bad posture. It's not just about how you look, it's about how your body feels. Poor posture silently steals your strength, compresses your spine, weakens your core, and makes you age faster than you should. But here's the truth: you can fix it. And it doesn't take hours in the gym. All you need is 10 minutes a day. Stay with me till the end, because I'm going to show you how to completely reset your posture, strengthen your back, and stand tall again, even if you've been slouching for years. The hidden cost of bad posture. Let's get real for a second. We spend over 10 hours a day sitting, on the phone, in front of a computer, or scrolling social media. Your body was never designed for this. When you slouch, your shoulders roll forward, your chest tightens, your neck cranes, and your lower back takes all the stress. This leads to constant stiffness, muscle imbalance, and low energy. Even your breathing becomes shallow, reducing oxygen to your brain and muscles. And over time, you start feeling old, not because of age, but because your body alignment is off. That's why posture isn't just about standing straight. It's about living pain-free. The biggest mistakes most people make. Most people try to fix their posture by just reminding themselves to sit straight. But that never works, because posture isn't about reminding, it's about retraining. Here's what happens. If your muscles are weak or tight, no matter how hard you try to sit tall, your body collapses back into the same bad position. That's why you need a system that strengthens your posture muscles, not just your willpower. And that's what this 10-minute routine is designed for. It activates your core, back, neck, and shoulder stabilizers, the foundation of perfect alignment. The posture test. Let's do a quick self-test. Stand in front of a mirror. Now look at your shoulders. Are they even? Is your head slightly tilted forward? Is your stomach pushed out? If yes, your posture is already off balance. But the good news? Every single part of this can be corrected with daily 10-minute posture sessions. Your body has an amazing ability to adapt. All you have to do is give it the right signal. And I'll show you how in the next part. The 10-minute promise. Here's why this works. It's short enough to do daily, and powerful enough to deliver visible change within 3 weeks. You don't need any fancy equipment. You don't even need a gym. All you need is consistency and 10 minutes of focus each day. In those 10 minutes, you'll stretch the tight muscles that are pulling your spine out of place, and you'll strengthen the weak ones that can't hold you upright anymore. This balance is what transforms your posture permanently. The science behind it. Research shows that short daily posture routines, even 5 to 10 minutes, can reverse years of muscle imbalance. When you align your spine, your nervous system works better, your joints move freely, and your confidence naturally improves. You'll stand taller. You'll breathe deeper. You'll feel lighter, not just physically, but mentally too. Because when your body stands tall, your mind does too. The 10-minute daily routine to fix your posture. Fast. All right, you now know why your posture collapsed. But here's the good news. You can fix it faster than you think. All it takes is 10 minutes a day, and I'm going to guide you step by step. This is not about complicated yoga or gym workouts. These are simple, science-backed moves that target the exact muscles responsible for keeping you upright: your core, shoulders, and spine stabilizers. So get ready, stand tall, take a deep breath. Because these 10 minutes might just be the most powerful part of your day. Step 1. Wall angels, 2 minutes. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Your heels, hips, shoulders, and head should all touch the wall. Now, raise your arms slowly as if making a snow angel, up and down, keeping your hands and elbows touching the wall. Do this for 2 minutes. Why it works. This movement strengthens your upper back muscles and opens up tight chest muscles that cause slouching. It also retrains your shoulder blades to move the right way, improving alignment almost instantly. Feel the difference. By the end of this step, you'll already feel your chest open up and your back muscles engage. Step 2. Chin tucks, 1 minute. Sit or stand tall. Pull your chin gently back, like you're making a double chin, and hold for 3 seconds. Repeat 10-15 times. Why it works. This small move strengthens the deep neck flexors, which pull your head back into alignment and fix the tech neck posture caused by phones and screens. Tip: don't push your chin down, just pull it straight back. Result: your neck feels longer, lighter, and instantly straighter. Step 3. Shoulder blade squeeze, 2 minutes. Sit or stand straight. Pull your shoulder blades together. Squeeze and hold for 5 seconds. Then relax. Repeat for 2 minutes. Why it works. When you strengthen your rhomboids and trapezius muscles, your shoulders automatically stay back. This reverses the rounded shoulder posture that makes you look tired and older. Feel the burn? That's your back waking up again. Step 4. Cat-cow stretch, 2 minutes. Get on your hands and knees. As you inhale, arch your back, cow. As you exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin, cat. Repeat slowly for 2 minutes. Why it works. This classic stretch improves spine flexibility, loosens tight lower back muscles, and improves blood flow to your vertebrae. With every breath, your spine becomes more fluid, relaxed, and realigned. Step 5. Superman hold, 2 minutes. Lie face down on the floor. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground like you're flying. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat for 2 minutes. Why it works. This move activates your entire posterior chain, your glutes, back, and shoulders, the muscles that literally hold your posture together. If it feels too tough, lift one arm and one leg at a time. Step 6. Chest opener stretch, 1 minute. Stand tall. Clasp your hands behind your back and pull them gently downward while opening your chest. Hold for 30 seconds, release, and repeat once more. Why it works. It stretches your pectoral muscles, the tight muscles that pull your shoulders forward. Once loosened, your body naturally straightens without effort. The routine recap. Let's summarize your 10-minute posture fix. Wall angels, 2 min. Chin tucks, 1 min shoulder blade squeeze, 2 min cat-cow stretch, 2 min Superman hold, 2 min chest opener, 1 min that's it. 10 minutes total. Simple, fast, and powerful. You can do this anywhere. At home, in the office, or even before bed. In just 1 week, you'll notice less stiffness. In 2 weeks, your back will feel stronger. And within a month, you'll move, sit, and walk like a new person. The real transformation posture isn't just physical, it's psychological. When you stand tall, your brain feels more confident, alert, and energetic. Your mood improves, your breathing deepens, and you project strength. That's why fixing your posture isn't just a body change, it as a life change. And remember, consistency beats intensity. Even if you do this routine just once a day, every single day, your body will begin to reset itself automatically. The hidden habits that destroy your posture and how to fix them forever. You've learned the 10-minute daily routine. But here's the truth. Even the best exercises won't help if your daily habits keep destroying your posture. Because posture isn't something you fix once. It is something you maintain every single day. So if you're serious about staying strong, pain-free, and confident for life, listen carefully, because these next few minutes will change how you move forever. The posture killers. You don't notice. Let us start with what's silently ruining your posture. The things you do without realizing it. 1. Slouching at your phone. Every time you look down at your phone, your head shifts forward, adding nearly 60 pounds of pressure to your neck and spine. Do that for hours, and your posture begins to collapse. Fix. Hold your phone at eye level. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your neck neutral. 2. Leaning on one side. While standing. You know when you rest all your weight on one hip? That twists your spine and tightens one side of your lower back. Fix. Distribute your weight evenly on both feet. Stand tall with your core slightly engaged. 3. Sitting too long. The human body was not designed to sit for hours. Long sitting weakens your glutes, tightens your hip flexors, and compresses your spine. Fix. Every 30 minutes, stand up and stretch for at least 30 seconds. Even a short walk around the room resets your posture instantly. The right way to sit. Let's fix how you sit, because this is where most people go wrong. Step 1. Sit back fully into your chair so your lower back is supported. If your chair doesn't have support, roll up a towel and place it behind your lower back. Step 2. Keep your feet flat on the floor and your knees at a 90-degree angle. Step 3. Your screen should be at eye level. If you're looking down, raise it using a few books or a laptop stand. Imagine a string gently pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. This instantly elongates your spine and fixes your posture without effort. Try it now. Feel the difference? That's your natural alignment. How to walk and stand correctly. Even the way you walk can affect your posture. When you walk, keep your chin parallel to the ground. Roll your shoulders slightly back. Engage your core as you step forward. Don't rush. Walk with controlled, balanced steps. When you stand, keep your feet shoulder-width apart. Slightly bend your knees. Don't lock them. Balance your weight equally on both sides. These small changes make a huge difference over time. Remember, posture is not about being stiff. It's about being aligned and relaxed. The posture cue. Trick. Here's a powerful trick to fix your posture anywhere, anytime. It's called the posture cue method. Whenever you walk through a door, hear a phone ring, or get a message, use that as a reminder to check your posture. Are my shoulders rolled back? Is my neck neutral? Is my core lightly engaged? These tiny micro-corrections throughout the day will reprogram your nervous system. Over time, perfect posture will become your default position. The 3-week transformation timeline. Here's what to expect if you stay consistent with your 10-minute daily routine. Week 1. You'll notice less tension in your neck and shoulders. Your back will feel stronger and more stable. Week 2. You'll start standing taller without even trying. Breathing feels easier. Energy levels rise. Week 3. You'll look noticeably different. Taller, confident, and balanced. Your spine alignment improves. Pain fades. By the end of the month, people will actually comment, "Wow, you look taller, stronger, different." That's the power of posture. Why posture? Confidence. Here's something most people never realize. Posture doesn't just change your body, it changes your mind. When you slouch, your brain releases stress hormones like cortisol. When you stand tall, your body releases power hormones like testosterone and endorphins. You literally feel more confident and in control. That's why every successful athlete, speaker, and leader works on posture. It's the foundation of strength, both physical and mental. So next time you walk into a room, shoulders back, chin up, chest open, remember, you're not just standing tall. You're showing the world who you are. The 10-minute habit. Think about it. 10 minutes a day. That's less than the time you spend scrolling through your phone. But in those 10 minutes, you're rebuilding your spine, your strength, your energy, and your confidence. No medication, no chiropractor, no fancy tools, just you and your daily commitment. Even if you've been hunched over for 20 years, it was never too late to start. Your body is designed to heal. You just have to give it the signal. So here's your challenge. For the next 21 days, do your 10-minute posture fix routine every single day. 2 minutes of wall angels, 1 minute of chin tucks, 2 minutes of shoulder blade squeeze, 2 minutes of cat-cow, 2 minutes of Superman hold, 1 minute of chest opener. That's it. Track your progress. Notice how your back feels lighter, your core feels tighter, and your confidence grows daily. And if this video helped you, share it with a friend or family member who is struggling with neck or back pain, because everyone deserves to stand tall at any age. Remember this, your posture is your power. It's the first thing people notice, and the last thing your body forgets. So stand tall, move with confidence, and never underestimate the strength that comes from alignment, inside and out. You've got this. Now go fix your posture and your life in just 10 minutes a day.